Alright, you guys, so today's a special day. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty hyped. So the last video I left you guys off with parts everywhere. So the last video I left you guys off with, we were doing the pressure plate. Nope. Damn, what was that? Oh, the flywheel install. So we were getting that done. Showed you guys how to torque it down, whatnot. Today, a little bit different. We're gonna go ahead and put the clutch on the car. Well, so we're gonna put the clutch on the flywheel, put on the pressure plate. Actually, it should be other way. Clutch, pressure plate, same time, little tool. I'll show you guys about that in a second. Anyways, I'll show you guys about that in a second. We're gonna go ahead and try to mount this transmission onto the block. Which, actually, let me show you guys. She is looking as dirty as ever. Here she is in all her glory. Still filthy, broken apart, dirty. Oh yeah, I never showed you guys the thing I was talking about. So this is how I ended up tightening it. I had some square stock, some weird tool I got from Amazon. That's how I tighten it down. I'll go ahead and do the same procedure when I do the clutch. And then we'll be taking that transmission over there. Yeah, that one. Ignore that. That's for sale. Actually, by the way, no, it's a K24. This is a A8 from a Honda Accord. Trying to sell it. I picked up another one just in case I blew the first one, but I feel pretty confident I'm not going to blow my first engine. Fingers crossed there. Knock on this engine stand. But anyways, as I was saying, we're going to go ahead and... Oh, hold on. Oh no, that light looks... Let's get a little more natural light going, right? There we go. Now I'm looking pretty. Nope, now I'm black as night. Alright, so now we got some decent light going on here. Decent light. Alright, so we got some decent light going on here. We're gonna go ahead and get the transmission mounted to the engine, get the clutch installed, and today is finally the day. The K24 goes in the EG hatch. Wait, scratch that, EK hatch. But we'll go ahead and get that dropped in. Jonathan's gonna be stopping, well, I guess it depends on the time. Jonathan's gonna be coming by. We're gonna go ahead and try to get mounted in. But let me stop talking and let's get to the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start off with cleaning the flywheel off. I'm going to just use some brake clean on a microfiber. And then I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down. So, make this quick, easy, and simple. If I can get enough. Oh yeah. Just give it a quick little wipe. All that. Yeah, that's going to come off. Alright guys, so I guess we'll go ahead and go with the clutch install now. Before, I don't know if your fly will come like this, but mine didn't come with the studs for the pressure plate to be aligned in, so I had to tap those in real quick. I just used this little hammer, tapped it in, and then there's a little bearing that normally comes with the clutch kit. I went ahead and tapped mine in already. But next, I'm going to go ahead and take this little special tool I spoke about earlier, the clutch alignment tool. You're going to need that. And you'll need your clutch. Your clutch needs to go in like this. It needs to go on the side that protrudes, not that side. That side will go against the flywheel. This side goes against the pressure plate. So go ahead and take your tool, stick it inside the center. Make sure you align the... I forget what they're called. Whatever. Make sure it's aligned, and then go ahead and stick it in. Oh, it's going to be a little tight. And it should be snug. Unfortunately, because my engine's at a forward slant like this. Well, yeah, be slanted like this. My clutch is forward. I just got to push that up a little bit. That or I have tried to lift it on the front side. I don't know yet. Let me figure out what to do. Haha, I actually have an idea. Alright guys, so when you're gonna put the pressure plate on, you need to go ahead and clean this surface here. Just this whole inner ring here. I'm gonna go ahead and just take some brake clean up real quick. And I'll show you guys how to mount it. Alright guys, so I'll have it cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and slap it on now. Like I said, you can use the 3 dials to try to go ahead and align this. It's 1, 2. Come on, number 3. There we go. Alright, I don't have it pushed down all the way, but that's how it's gonna sit, basically. But you do want to push it all the way down. Alright guys, so now that you have the pressure plate installed, you're going to go ahead and take your pressure plate bolts. They are a 10 mil 12 point socket. You go ahead and just install them, and I'll tell you guys I'll probably either put a picture up or I'll tell you the torque sequence. But there's only 6 of them on here. Alright guys, with the pressure plate, so it's going to end up being torqued down in steps. You're going to go from 5 to 10 to 14 and then 19. The same star pattern. I'm going to go by 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 down here, and then 6 up here. So I'm going to go ahead and set them all to 5 real quick, and then I'll go to 10, 14, so on and so forth. All right, that's 20. I'm gonna go ahead and just double check them all one more time, make sure they actually are all set to 20, and then we can pull the alignment tool out. All right, guys. Everything's set. It's all torqued down. So now we just got to pull the tool out and we can go ahead and smack that sweet, sweet transmission on. When you go to pull it, it may be a little snug, and that's fine. At least you know everything's aligned. Should get a nice little satisfying pop like that. Oh, actually, one thing you guys need to pay attention to. So, on the... I don't know if it's all K24s, but I know with the A2, you have dowels. So this bolt here, there is actually a dowel that runs on the outside of the bolt. You need that for alignment. The guy I picked the engine up off of didn't tell me that the dowel was smashed. So I can't even use that to try to help align. And I'm hoping it's not too bad. It doesn't leave a groove on the outside, but hey, what can you do? This is a budget build. I didn't pay a lot for this engine. So let's keep it moving. All right, y'all are not gonna believe the crap I had to go through to get this in all its glory here, up here on this cart. Y'all have no idea. But anyways, I got it cleaned out. I changed the throwout bearing, and now we're gonna see if we can get it made it up to the surface here. I don't really have a good way to show you guys. I'll see if I can get like a wider shot, but that's gonna be kind of hard. But let's get to it. I gotta go back and clean it off, and I lost a ton of transmission fluid. So I guess I'll make a video on how to fill your transmission up. All right, so I'm gonna try to give y'all a top-down view of this. I don't know how well it's gonna get it, but putting a transmission on is simple and hard. You're gonna need to line up. Well, I guess you guys can't even see it. Dang. Well, in the center of the clutch, where that hole was at, where we put in the pilot bushing or bearing, you need to line up the spindle on transmission up with that and try to push it in. You may have to jiggle it left and right. And I apologize for the horrible view, but this is the best y'all got right now. All right, yeah, so it's more or less it's now on. That little trick I did where I put a bolt inside of it, that was just to help me once I found the alignment. You put a bolt in to hold its place. Then you can wiggle it and shimmy it like I just did. Now, transmission's bolted on. Like I said, I'll throw the torque sequence on. I guess I'll pop it somewhere on the screen over my beautiful face. I don't know. I'll throw it up, show you how to torque it down, and from there, I believe it's just me doing a couple air hoses. I may record some video of me doing that just so you guys can see what's happening, what hoses need to go in the car. But from here, it's just getting the transmission in the car. Which, when I say it, it sounds easier said than done. But it's on a wagon. And yeah, it's not light. Shit. Anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Keep moving forward.